All right, y'all, I had to make sure my camera was good. You know, I just got my toy. We about to play around with it. I just pulled up to this young lady with a flat tire. I'm about to put on her spare tire, and I just want to show y'all my workflow. It's my first job of the day. I ain't did nothing. The only thing we did was pull her spare tire out the trunk. Everything else, we doing it our first move. Let's get the tools and everything going. We're gonna knock this out real quick, all right? So I ain't got no air built up or nothing. This is my first job. We're gonna go straight from scratch. I ain't gonna edit nothing. I just want to show y'all how we get down, how long it take me, how good we at doing this thing. And you know what? Start the timer right now. I just hope my camera don't drop. It's gonna be a little loud, but I'm all right, let's get it. I put my hand right there because I ain't want my camera to drop, dog. I just got the camera, dog. Y'all got me out here nervous, hoping my camera don't drop. I should have put my wrist strap on, but it's all good. If it do, I got a protection plan. I think I can get 4 replacements, so we just gonna see. Again, this is my first job of the day, so I'm finna put my air tool oil inside my gun or inside my torque wrench if we're gonna be professional. A little drop of that. And then Ingersoll ran. She got a Volkswagen, using standard socket, so on that Volkswagen it's always gonna be 11/16. Hopefully y'all can see that. Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, they got the standard sockets or the standard lug nuts is gonna be 11/16. I'm gonna let these trucks go by because we right by the road. Matter of fact, no, I'm not. He can get over some. Of course, the day that I'm trying to record, my line would get snagged up, but let's get it. Hopefully y'all can see this good. I don't have my pod with me to see how the angle look, but we're gonna go to it. Of course, I just ordered my gun, so. Let's go. Like my camera kind of odd, but it's all good. Look at that tire. Yeah, next time I'm gonna make sure I wear my strap because I ain't gonna keep trying to hold the camera. You know, I'm blocking the camera instead of recording. And this ain't me trying to rush or nothing like this. I'm just gliding through this thing, going easy. As you can see, I had the wrong hose. Don't tell nobody. I'm probably not gonna post this one. It ain't coming out as good. Your boy out here looking crazy, constantly covering up the camera. Out here talking crazy and everything. Get the lad Lord nut. NASCAR, I hope y'all watch it. I ain't tightened that one in, so get what? We ain't gonna hit it, we're gonna tighten it up first. Check the air pressure on this tire. Make sure it's aired up. Again, I might not do this video. I feel like this is not good. But she need a few more pounds of air in her spare. And guess what? Just like that, we done. I'm gonna put the cap back on. gonna let my jack down, put my tools up, man, and we out of here. Successful. Let me go stop this video and get this payment, man. We're gonna get out of here.